Hi everyone, it's Joel from Blizzard Lighting, and today we're talking about an avant-garde innovation that's set to redefine the way you experience outdoor lighting. Introducing the Motif Settelenti. This outdoor-rated zoomable par provides intense illumination and features a unique pixel ring effect to provide some serious eye candy. It's available in black or white housing and 3 different LED combinations, and there are a ton of options and customization possibilities for you to really bring out the best in your space. Without further ado, let's get into it. Whether you're illuminating a concert, lighting an event, or enhancing an outdoor space, this flexible par is designed to fit your needs. What makes the lights so unique are the 7 40-watt LEDs that are surrounded by 96 frost-filtered SMD LEDs. These effect LEDs offer layered and captivating visual effect that complements the main LEDs. Even better, the 2 types of LEDs have separate dimmers and controls, so it's infinitely customizable. You can get creative and combine different programs, effects, and colors simultaneously. It's almost like getting 2 fixtures in one. The Motif Settelenti comes in several different LED combinations. RGBW is our flagship and will provide you with ultra bright colors. If you're looking to incorporate pastels or warm whites in your space, then the RGBA model with amber is your best choice. And if you're looking for ultra bright whites with a high CRI, then the cool white and warm white model is the one for you. Designed for precision and flexibility, Settelenti features smooth linear dimming and a motorized zoom that offers a beam angle ranging from 5.7 to 38 degrees, ensuring you have the perfect coverage in any space. Plus, the built-in color macros and strobe effects will take your lighting design to the next level. Alright, we've covered a lot in this video, but if you're still hungry for more, please visit blizzardpro.com/motif-settelenti. There you can find all of the specs, user manuals, cut sheets, and pricing information for these new products and more. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.